Hello, I'm Denise Charles. I'm Head of Curriculum here at Service Industries. So today for Chef's Forum session, we've got chefs in from Exclusive Hotels, that's what they're called, Andy, and we're making a lamb rump dish. So welcome to everyone.
So hi, my name's Andy MacKenzie and I am the Executive Chef of the Chef's Academy for Exclusive Hotels. So the Exclusive Collection where we're from. And we're here today to really inspire the next generation of chefs that are coming to our industry. And I know you do some great work here at this wonderful college, Hammersmith and Fulham College, and I know that we're hopefully going to do a little dish today with using a few different techniques, lots of different techniques that hopefully we're going to create a lovely simple dish that hopefully they're going to enjoy to make along with us. So we're going to see the results at the end, but it's going to be something really nice. It's going to be just a simple roasted rump of lamb with some lovely wild mushrooms, a little bit of salsify fondant, we've got some little Brussels sprout roasted we're going to do as well, and just really the whole kind of autumn kind of brings it all together. Autumn and winter kind of comes together really nicely. Drew some artichoke puree and a little jus that we're going to put together as well. So you're going to see hopefully something quite nice at the end.
So my name's Tom Younger, I'm a chef at Lainston House Hotel. Today we're going to be cooking lamb, some salsify, some wild mushrooms, some Brussels sprouts. We're going to do roasted, a few petals.
Hello, my name is Eamon and I'm a student from West London College. I'm doing my level 1 catering course. I want to be a chef because I want to learn the basic stuff, learn what I want to cook, and cooking is my heart.
Yeah.
My name's Hannah, and I'm level 2 catering student. I want to be a chef because I want to get that good experience out of cooking, and I want to start my own business one day.
It's dirty, it's a bit like that. It's quite good. It's fine. There. Right. See, they've got a dirty bit at the end there. That's the bit you want to really remove. There we go. Just drop it in there. I'm going to wash it in a minute. Alright? It's all part of us saving the planet.
Exactly, yeah.
Garlic in the pan, so the pans are red. All good work. Yeah. Right, so we're going to add a little bit of our aromatics to it, so a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of garlic. That's what you're looking for, a nice bit of caramelised lamb. So it looks like that we know and love, right? Is that medium rare or? Sorry, rare. Medium rare, right? Mushrooms in there. Very tight. And warmer. A bit of these. This one. That's good. Right, a bit of jus. You got a bit of jus there, or a bit of the flavour from the.
I'm getting it now.
Just a little bit of that trickle around the outside. That's not sure. Right, job done. Right, it's nice and simple, some lovely flavours. Right.